I'm making a point, Mr. President, that you cannot make a motion and then say, i-research mo na lang yung laman. Sabi kasi niya, pwede mo daw ipasa to, tapos nandyan naman yung nature. Ano ngang statement?
Mr. President,
so in the
this is
same
a
manner,
debate.
Mr. President, I
Where is-
admit
where is the point
my
of order?
motion, may I finish?
Where is the point
my
of order,
motion
Mr.
for
Where is the point
it's
of
our
order?
motion.
Suspended.
We would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt
See,
Mr.
So that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng isang
President,
bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No, bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I ask them
well,
now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide?
Mr.
ulit?
President, we beg
Mr.
to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tignan niyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa... Let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards
China.
me?
It's about
No,
decorum.
You're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges,
no,
Mr.
no, no, no.
President. You are simplifying
Siya
what is a
suspended for 1 minute.
complicated
I think we were just making a point. I will speak after him.
No, Mr. President, I have made my point. Just for the record also, the resolution does not make mention of the caricature, so I'm not sure
Yes.
where the point of the caricature is being
Mr. President.
pointed out.
I will go there after this point, Mr. President. No. Sir President, Rule 93, acts and language which offend a senator or any public institution shall be deemed parliamentary. From kindergarten, Mr. President, we are taught certain rules. How to address the teacher, how to respect your neighbor, paano i-address yung matatanda, di ba? Ganun din po sa international affairs. You do not mess with their flag and you do not mess with their symbol of authority, their king, sultan, prime minister, or president. That's why in this slide, Mr. President, it is very clear, yung official natin is, despite any dispute, si President Zelensky at President Putin, if you put them on the same room, magkakamayan yan. So that's why the question kay Commodore Tariela is, officially sanctioned ba yan? Which tama na tanungin ng Chinese ambassador, bakit? If a general in China makes a caricature of President Bongbong, dapat i-protest ng ating ambassador. At dapat tanungin, official ba yan? Because we cannot look underhanded pagdating po sa international community. Hindi pwede ang Pangulo makikipag-usap na eto walang personalan and then yung general mo, personal. So, I'm sorry I reacted because anyone who sees the caricature is not a flattering caricature. If I do that caricature to any world leader, kahit dito, di ba? The majority leader is smiling. The majority leader and I had we've known each other since 98. We've never argued with raising our voice. But umabot. I didn't even remember what I said. We apologized to each other. Bakit? Mali. Pero tama yung pinaglalaban mo, bro. Tama pinaglalaban ko. Mali yung paraan paano natin pinaglaban. So wala akong problema sa pinaglalaban ni Commodore Tariela. Pero hindi naman tayo fraternity dito sa Pilipinas na mali na nga brad mo, pero dahil bugbugan sa ibang bansa, sasabihin mo tama brad mo. Mali. I don't propose a resolution, but the guy should apologize and just say na, tama pinaglalaban ko, pero mali na ginawa kong ganyan. Now, if he wants to do that, he resigns his commission. He can go around, he can join the media, he can be a blogger, he can be a professor, he can be like Ronald Llamas and call himself a influencer or a political analyst, di ba? But when you're in uniform, the other countries will ask you, official ba yan? That's standard, Mr. President. Kaya tayo nagkakaproblema.
Mr. President, wala namang problemang magtanong sila. Pero itong mga bitiw na salita nila sa kanilang Facebook official pages ay hindi katanggap-tanggap. Number one. Number two, kahit sa China, Mr. President, kinakarikature ang ating Pangulo. ng state-controlled, China state-controlled media, na alam natin, walang lumalabas dyan na hindi aprobado ng Communist Party. So merong China, Xinhua News, andito si BBM, may caricature, andito rin. So maliwanag, Mr. President, na they too, through their official channels,
Sir President.
come up with caricatures, Mr. President.
Sir President, yun po, with all due respect, Senator Pangilinan, and dapat ina-advisean ng DFA ng tama, hindi po mangga sa mangga o atis sa atis yan. Communist countries, including Vietnam, Cuba, North Korea, pag news outlet nila, although alam natin in reality, may say sila, just like PTV4, in reality, hindi dapat, but in reality, kahit sinong administrasyon ay may say sa PTV4, is not considered track 1. Hindi siya track 1. So kung hindi ka track 1, pwede ka mag-caricature. Media yun eh. Kahit na alam ng Communist Party. So if you ask, if our diplomat ask, is that official? Sasagutin ka, that's our news. Hindi kami.
Which is deniable, Mr. President, and therefore okay lang.
No, it's not okay lang.
Well,
It's not okay lang, Mr. President.
Why
It is the
when we
international-
defend when our officials caricature, it's not okay. But when their state-controlled news caricatures, it's okay.
No, Mr. President. There is an
Ayun naman pala eh.
international...
So what's the issue?
No, Mr. President, there is an international order in foreign relations. And when these countries that control state media do it, it is accepted that it is not track 1. But when democratic countries have generals who do that, it destroys the order. Nagmumukha tayong childish at bata, nasisira po ang kredibilidad mula sa Pangulo hanggang sa Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Kung hindi sila napapaya na ginagawa ng state news, tayo napapahiya. Kasi walang maniniwala na gagawin ng general yan at hindi siya ipagsosorry, tapos sasabihin hindi siya opisyal.
Well, again, Mr. President, if taken in isolation, and that's the difficulty here, the good senator is taking it in isolation. That was January 14. December pa lang, pinuntirya na ako. Si Senator Risa Ontiveros, the same. Nung nag-statement ang Congressman Laila and Congressman Jokno, tinira rin. So, itong propensity to focus on Tariela because nagrereklamo on China, it does not present the entire picture, Mr. President.
Mr. President.
This resolution would not have happened if it was just Mr. Tariela, Commodore Tariela they were complaining about.
No, Mr.
But precisely, it is a systematic propaganda campaign to discredit our public officials, to discredit our armed forces, Mr. President. Ganyan ang style. And the statement of the DND, if you look at it, if you read through it, they were saying, and they condemned the lies. Mr. President, they described it as lies, ang nilalabas ng China. And then dito tayo, nagrereklamo sila dahil dito sa caricature. Sana naman medyo patas tayo dahil dito naman tayo sa atin, Mr. President. Suportahan naman natin yung ating Coast Guard. Sila ang tumataya dyan eh. At suportahan natin ang DND at ang ating men in uniform. Yun ang ating
Mr. President.
kagustuhan para maipasa itong resolusyon na ito that we stand behind our men in uniform. We oppose and we condemn the lies, the disinformation and the maligning being undertaken by China against the senators, against congressmen, against our men in uniform. Mr. President, ganun lang kasimple ito. Hindi na dapat pinahaba pa at pinatatagal pa to, Mr. President.
Mr. President, that's his opinion that hindi to pwedeng pahabain. This affects OFWs. This affects our ailing economy. This affects our being a Christian nation. This affects moral ascendancy. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin dahil mali kayo, mali na rin gagawin ko. Dahil ang Coast Guard tama, yung isang general na ng bastos, okay. So I take offense sa sabihin, dito naman kayo sa amin. Protektahan nyo naman Coast Guard. Kailan namin hindi protektahan ng Coast Guard, Mr. President? We are for the Coast Guard, Mr. President. But if one of their generals went over the line and did something that is wrong, childish, undiplomatic, reckless, unprofessional, it's also our duty. Did we file a resolution here to ask someone to correct him? Hindi po. Kasi hindi na namin kailangan ng rest back ng Senado. Pag kami nakakapag-debate sa Russian ambassador, American ambassador, hindi namin kailangan rest back ng Senate. Especially kung tama kami. But what we're asking sa resolution to is rest back ng buong Senado. Which I'll go to the other point because hindi tayo magkasundo dyan. So tingin nyo tama, bahala kayo. Because may mga anak kayo, may mga apo, tayong lahat. Dadating tayo dyan. Pwede mo ba sabihin sa anak mo, anak, pag mali sila, gumawa ka na rin ng mali. Anak, okay lang mang bastos kasi mas bastos sila eh. Anak, okay lang mag-bully kasi mas bully sila. Ako, hindi ko sasabihin yon. Ako, sasabihin ko,
At di yun ang sinasabi.
hindi, yun ang sinasabi mo, Mr. President, and I'm
No,
not yet
Mr.
finished.
President, of
Kasi
course
you said, tama
We
si
beg to
Tariela.
disagree,
Mr. President, I'm not yet finished, no?
Well, we beg to
So, Mr. President, this is the question. The resolution question statement. Sabi dito, whereas, in response to the public statements of the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, etc., etc., walang naka-attach ko anong statements nila. So, paano tayo magdidebate dito? That's why, mahaba to eh. Mga pang 3 araw to, inisa-isa ko yung statements. Pinapakuha ko sa staff. Nagsumula lang ako kay Tariela because tinitingnan ko statements ni Senator Risa. I think that's within her rights. She's been consistent with some of her, I may agree or disagree, but yun ang statement niya. I've been looking at the statement of the gentleman from Pampanga. You're a senator, you're a patriot. But yung kay Tariela, nakita ko kaagad eh. Tama yung iba niyang mga statements, pero mali yung ginawa niya na ganyan ang gagawin mo. Kasi pag ginawa kay President Bongbong yon, regardless kung opposition ako o administrasyon, pagtatanggol ko siya. Dahil mali eh. Ang mali is mali. Hindi pwedeng mali sila, mali na rin tayo. Tama sila, tama tayo. May tama tayo niyan. So Mr. President, this is the question. How will we discuss and vote on this? Kung wala naman dito yung statements na kine-question natin. So will the gentleman attach these questions and furnish the members of this chamber? I don't think we ever passed a resolution. This is just 30 seconds, tapos na ako. On this point, we've never passed a resolution condemning anything without specifying what we're condemning. So, pwede bang sabihin, hindi ko gusto yung sinabi ni Senator Marcoleta sa CA. Hindi po, I saw the statement of Senator Lacson, I saw the other statements. Specify nila kung ano sinabi niya. Nakita ko statement ni Senator Marcoleta, clarify niya. At least malinaw. Eto parang carte blanche na lang. Lahat ng sabihin ng Chinese ambassador, mali. Paano kung sinabi niya, good morning? Paano kung sinabi niya, ni hao, good morning? Kinokondemn natin yon. Bawal na mag-good morning sa Pilipinas? Oh, you might say it's obvious na hindi yun ang kinokondemn. There's no such thing as obvious. The records of the Senate will bear this resolution and the discussions in this August hall. But anyone can add and subtract if it's general. So which statements are we talking about so that we in the minority, in the opposition, can be able to debate? That's why I started out today by simply saying, pagdating sa South China Sea, sa West Philippine Sea, nagkakaisa tayo, magkakasama tayo. Atin ito, ipaglaban natin to. Pero pagdating sa bastusan, out kami dyan. Kasi yung tama is tama, mali is mali. So ang question po ngayon, what will we do, gentleman from the esteemed senator, gentleman from Pampanga and the author, will you supply us or will we annex or add whereases so that we will see ano ba tong statements na to?
Mr. President, I think the whereases are clear. Just a little bit of research on the part of the researchers will confirm what we are referring to. We don't need to annex all of them, Mr. President. For example, in response to the public statements of the Embassy of the People's Republic of China that opposed and criticized these positions and questioned the propriety of Philippine officials expressing such views in the performance. So it's specified, the nature of the statements. So a little bit of research, malalaman mo na which statements were these because this
Point
refers
of order, Mr. President. Point of order.
What is the point of order?
The statements of Senator Pangilinan. The nature of his statements. Kayo na mag-research kung ano statements na yun, Mr. President. Sabi niya, pwede daw yun eh.
Mr. President,
I-research na lang daw natin.
I'm not yet done.
No, that's why I
Philippine
gave you-
officials,
Mr. President,
including
that's why I
members,
gave a point of
members
order.
of the Senate. May I just be, I am still
It's a point of order, Mr. President. A point of order precedes your precedence.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, maybe ask the minority floor leader to state the point of order. Which part of the rules was
Mr. President.
which part of the rules was
Wala.
violated?
I'm making a point, Mr. President, that you cannot make a motion and then say, i-research mo na lang yung laman. Sabi kasi niya, pwede mo daw ipasa to, tapos nandyan naman yung nature ng ano ngang statement.
Mr. President,
So in the
this is a
same manner,
debate.
Mr. President, I
Where is-
admit
where is the point
my
of order?
motion, may I finish?
Where is the point
my
of order,
motion
Mr.
for
Where is the point of
our
order?
Session is suspended.
President.
Yes, Senator Cayetano.
Sir President, to be fair to Senate President Pro Temp and to the gentleman from Pampanga, I was going to say I'm out of order in my move, in moving for a point of order because you cannot have a point of order without stating
Why?
why. Where is the what's the basis so that the presiding officer can determine whether it's in order or out of order. At hindi naman ako parating out of order, Mr. President, di ba? So I was just trying to explain to my good friend, Senator Pangilinan, we both believe in what we're fighting for, moral ascendancy. So if we pass the resolution in its general form without saying the statements, if there are officials, again, Mr. President, ulitin ko ha, I'm not against Commodore Tariela. For all I know, he did 1,000 good things. Pero yung isa na naka-uniforme siya na may caricature, uncalled for, undiplomatic, hindi official yon. So I would rather, Mr. President, that we make it clear that we cannot vote on a resolution condemning statements, even if you say the nature of the statements without knowing the statement. Last point, Mr. President, the majority leader wanted to clarify, mali ata rinig niya. Ang sabi ko, in the 19th Congress, kaya unanimous yung mga resolution, kasi klaro kung ano kinokondem eh. Yung water cannon, yung claims about territory, etc. And then yung reply ng Chinese Embassy was, how do I put it? Kung baga, parang patas, Mr. President, na ano. Pero dito kasi, Mr. President, simple lang po, no? Kung si President Bongbong kinarikature ng general ng China, pababalikin ko talaga yung ambassador natin pag hindi siya umangal. And pag sinabi nilang official yon, magbabago relationship natin. Pag sinabing unofficial, ibang usapan. So I understand the gentleman from Pampanga, he's talking about the statements of Senator Risa himself and the Chinese Embassy. Mr. President, we're preparing for LEDAC tomorrow. We're preparing for the Blue Ribbon Report. I will support Senator Pangilinan's agricultural EDCOM style of agriculture. So we cannot take judicial notice, Mr. President, even in the court. The gentleman from Pampanga said take judicial notice. What that means in court is that hindi mo
Mr. President, I did not
nasusundin
say-
yung... Yes.
Point of order. I did not say judicial
Okay.
notice, Mr. President. I don't know where that came
I
from.
stand corrected, Mr. President. But he said obvious dahil sa nature. Hindi pwedeng ang obvious, Mr. President, because the resolution in its four corners should contain what we are condemning. No? If it's not there, it will be a bad precedent. So may I appeal to the gentleman from Pampanga. Lagyan natin nung kung ano yung statements. You don't
Maybe-
have to put all.
We will accede, Mr. President. I will now read a number of statements from the official website and account of the Chinese Embassy. in
Wait,
Manila.
hold on, Your Honors. If you will be reading it into the records, are you going to put it as an amendment?
No,
If
Mr.
you
President,
are,
just for the information of the because instead of attaching it, Mr. President, we will just place it on record so that that will suffice in terms of being able to
for
provide
reference.
for reference, Mr.
All
President.
right, let's do it that
Mr.
way.
President, just for comfortability, I'd rather it be an annex or an amendment. Kasi pag binasa lang dito, Mr. President, mahirap eh. Kailangan pagka binunot
Well-
natin sa bills and... Mr. President, it's an appeal. I'm not saying I'm totally correct, but if you look at future resolutions, we want to be able to get the resolution and be able to judge it in its four corners.
Mr.
Hindi yung
President.
bubuksan mo pa yung record. So if we're condemning something, so for example, Mr. President, babalik ta rin ko ha, I'm congratulating the Chinese ambassador. Baka naman i-congratulate ko siya na something na laban. Kahit ilagay ko doon, for his magnanimity. There are different interpretations of magnanimity, Mr. President. So I can shorten my interpolation so we can go to the amendments. But
Yes, I was thinking of that. Why don't we terminate the period of interpellation and go into the period of amendments, and therefore place that on record, or an annex or something to that effect?
Subject
Will
to
you-
style, Mr. President, if the good gentleman from Taguig and Pateros will be willing to adopt this subject to style after we manifest what will be included in the agenda, the addendum, Mr. President.
Mr. President, I
Because
don't...
my concern, Mr. President, is the good gentleman, of course, that this is prerogative. If he wishes to requested that a clean copy be produced, and therefore they can go through it, etc., then we will not be able to adopt it today, Mr. President. Maybe not even tomorrow, I don't know, because there might be another reason for
Mr.
us not to
President.
adopt it, Mr. President.
All right.
Mr.
Senator.
President, this is not a bill, it's a resolution. So, the clean copy, we've done it before on the screen.
Yeah, we can do that.
Wala naman second, third reading, Mr.
All right.
President. In fact, I'm offering to shorten my interpellation.
Interpellation,
I just
all right.
have one or two questions about the whereas clause and the resolution clause, Mr. President. Then, but Mr. President, you know, it's not personal and it's not about this topic. It's really about proper order in the resolution. Mas maganda isang bunutan ng resolution. We know what we're condemning.
Yes, Mr. President, and we appreciate the points raised by the good minority leader, just as I hope he appreciates that this is the third request to postpone the matter in terms of voting. So I hope he understands we'd like to vote on this matter already.
Yeah. Mr. President,
Hmm.
not to prolong, but why is there a request to postpone? Because we requested a hearing. And it's very interesting, Mr. President. Ang tinatch pa lang natin, Commodore Tariela, ang tinatch pa lang natin is kung may latches or tinatch pa lang natin certain things, Mr. President. Wala pa nga tayo dun sa territory at saka sovereign rights eh. Di ba? So in the view of the minority, we're not actually delaying, it's speeding it up by discussing it here. Because if you ask me, I'd rather we have a hearing on it. And again, to put it on the record, Mr. President, magkakampi tayo pagdating po sa West Philippine Sea, South China Sea, Mr. President. The chairman of the Committee on Foreign Affairs, the Honorable Pulfo, asked for a ceasefire. And I can see his two hats. As a senator, gusto niyang sagutin in the strongest manner the Chinese ambassador and embassy. But as the chairman of the Committee on Foreign Affairs, he has to have another hat, which is to look at the economic, the cultural, the tourism, at other things, Mr. President. So, hindi to pabilisan na mapasa ngayon because rest back nga ito ng Senado eh. So, if it was an argument between Senator Risa, Senator Kiko, and the Chinese embassy, but if it's an argument between the Senate and the Chinese embassy, this escalates it, Mr. President. That's why I'm a little bit cautious on that. So if I have an argument, let's say, with the embassy of Israel or with Iran, same example, puno ng mangga, nag-aaway kami ni Senator Majority Leader, no? And kampi siya sa kanya yung isang gobyerno at nag-away kami. Once I file the resolution, Mr. President, mabigat kahit na ito'y tinatawag lang na sense of the Senate. It's the Senate as an institution eh. So now the Chinese embassy has to deal with that all the way up their chain to the foreign minister, to the member of Politburo in charge of foreign affairs, to the president. So if the Chinese government does the same, it doesn't end to our ambassador. It goes to our foreign secretary. It goes to President Bongbong. So that's the reality there, Mr. President. But I don't intend to delay this I intend to exhaust the discussion, Mr. President.
Yes, Mr. President, we understand the point raised by the good minority leader, except that, like I said, this has been postponed upon the request of this good senator 3 times already. So that's why I hope he understands when I'm appealing to him that hindi natin minamadali ito. Kung minadali natin ito, dapat hindi 3 postponement na pumayag tayo. In good faith, Mr. President.
Mr. President, iba lang definition namin minamadali kasi kung may hearing to, mas tatagal pero malalim ang discussion natin. Having said that, I understand where the senator is coming from dahil siya po ang may kasagutan. No?
Thank you, Mr.
Can I go
President.
to the point of the whereas clause that talks about the official duties and functions, no? So is it the official duty of Commodore Tariela to come out with a caricature against the Chinese president?
May we know what whereas clause you're pertaining to? What number in the first page?
The second one, Mr. President, the Philippine officials, including members, Senate, House, and other government, made pronouncements on matters affecting national security, maritime interest in the lawful performance of their official duties and functions. So,
Alright.
Mr. President, I've monitored yung kay SND, sa DND. I agree with some iba may question, kulang ako sa info. So hindi ko na tinanong yon. And when SND speaks, he's the alter ego of the President. But when Commodore Tariela speaks, I want to know, is that for the task force? Is that for DFA? Is that for the Office of the President? Or is that for the Coast Guard? Because, Mr. President, official duties and functions, yun precisely ang tanong parate sa Department of Ministries of Foreign Affairs, kung official o hindi. And usually we answer. So eto bang mga caricatures na to ay kay Commodore Tariela lang? Or eto ba ay official policy natin?
Yes, Mr. President, my understanding is the statement issued and the caricature that was presented was undertaken during a Track 2 event in St. Benilde. Track 2 would be a informal academic discussion, Mr. President. So, in that sense, Mr. President, we see no reason why that should have been avoided, Mr.
No,
President.
Mr.
It's an
President.
informal academic discussion, Mr. President.
Sir President, when you're a general, Commodore, wearing your uniform, hindi po track 2 or 1.5 yon. Tatanungin ka talaga ng embassy. So kung meron general sa China na pumunta sa Harvard University or sa University of Tokyo or kahit anong university sa China at may caricature ni President Bongbong, hindi pwedeng ang sagot track 2 yon. Ang tanong, was that official or not? Diba? So sumagot na si Commodore Tariela, I will follow the President. The President has exercised patience and decorum despite standing up for the territory of our country. It's very important that we make it clear here. So, if my staff, who is a member of the Senate, goes to a track 2, tapos may caricature siya ng kahit sino sa mga senador dito, papagalitan ko siya at sasabihin ko, subject ka ng Ethics Committee. Lalo kung naka-uniform siya at nakalagay Senate of the Philippines or Office of Senator Alan. I cannot answer you na this is democracy, Mr. President. Kasi may rules tayo eh. And they're representing the Senate. Now, if on their off time, they attend the rally for pro or anti-divorce, for example, no? Siguro pwede nating sabihin yan ay hindi official ng Senate, pwede. Pero pag nagsalita siya sa stand, tapos meron siyang caricature nung lahat ng senador na anti o pro-divorce, tapos naka-office of Alan Peter Cayetano, subject siya sa Ethics Committee natin, Mr. President. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin track 2 yon, no? So